In this video, I'll show you how to place text behind objects using the Magic Mask feature in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Please note, Magic Mask is only available in the Studio version. Let's start by dragging your video clip onto the timeline. Then, go to the Effects panel, open the Title section, and add a basic title onto the track below your main video. Select the title and open the inspector. Here, you can change the font, size, and positioning to suit your style. Next, we need to create a duplicate of the video clip to use as a mask. Hold the Option key, then click and drag the video layer up to video track 3. This gives us a copy to work with above the text. Now, select the top video layer and switch to the color page. In the Nodes panel, make sure your clip has a single corrector node selected. Then, go to the toolbar and click on Magic Mask, and use the brush to draw a quick stroke on the object you want to isolate. DaVinci Resolve will automatically detect the object and generate a mask around it. Once that's done, click Track Forward, and Resolve will track the object through the clip using the AI-based Magic Mask. After tracking is complete, right-click in the node graph and select Add Alpha Output. Connect the blue alpha output from your node to the new alpha output on the right. This will isolate the object and make everything else transparent. Now, when you go back to the edit page, you'll see your object sitting in front of the title, creating a clean behind the object text effect. No manual masking or pen tool required. That's how you do it with Magic Mask in just a few quick steps.